guys, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this video I'm going to do the Android benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 2 device by using the Spinbot mobile cooler. As you can see, this is a mobile cooler which I do have from the Spinbot, and I did order the Realme cooler as well, which is the Realme Neo cooler which they did release recently, which is for 999 rupees, and it's on its way. So very soon, as soon as I get the device, I'll definitely do the testing as well regarding the Realme cooling clip. So which cooling is really best. So right now, let's see, using this Spinbot cooling method, whether this can actually keep the phone cool or not. That's what my main idea of demonstrating in this video. So the main advantage with this kind of Spinbot cooler is that the area of covering is very large. As you can see, exactly, it's a very large area which is covering exact the device. I cannot keep this one in the top area because there is a camera bump, so I cannot keep it on the top area. That's why I'm keeping in the exactly this position. I cannot even keep the lid kind of slightly upside because this will press the power button as well. So these are the things you should definitely understand, and this is touching the surface. It's not floating in the air, it's touching the surface as well. As you can see clearly, it's exactly touching the surface without any kind of problem. Now let's see, using this kind of cooling system, whether we can actually cool down the temperatures in this Realme GT Neo 2 or not. For that, you should know what is the highest temperatures the phone did reach before. The phone always reached up to 37 degrees Celsius, 39.4, 40 degrees as well. As you can see, the highest temperatures how it went, always. So always the temperature used to go up to 37 degrees, 38 degrees in the Realme GT Neo 2. Let's see, using this cooling system, whether temperatures can actually keep it low or not. And same kind of settings I'm trying to use what I used before, nothing much major differences. So everything should be clear from the background, and is an benchmark application which I'm going to do the testing at this moment. And let me try to start the test as well. And before that, let's check the temperature is of 31 degrees Celsius, 30 Celsius, and backside 31 Celsius. As you can see, overall the temperature is pretty low. It's not that much high at this moment. And using this one, whether we can increase any kind of Antutu benchmark scores or not. These are the few things which I'll try to concentrate in this video. And there is no hot air coming from the sides, so it's kind of really cool. Only the hot air will come from the top side. That's the reason top side the temperatures will be very high as well here in this position. So again, we'll be back after some time just to check the temperatures, how the phone is actually managing. So right now, as you can see, friends, the Android benchmark test is still going on, and the temperature is below 37, not bad. So it's maintaining about, I think, close to 35 Celsius at this moment. Nothing much major complaints. 37 and 34 I'm getting at this point. On the sides, it's off. On the backs at 33 and 34, it's maintaining high temperatures. Nothing much major problems regarding the temperatures wise. On the side also 31. You can see how the temperatures are. So that's it, friends. Again, I'll be back after once the test has been completed. Then we can actually check the overall performance of the cooler. Is it affecting any kind of overall temperatures? Can it decrease and can it maintain high Antutu benchmark scores or not? That's what I'm going to concentrate in this test. So finally, friends, we got the benchmark results as well, and the temperature, you can see it's very low temperatures. It detected only 33 degrees Celsius, as you can see clearly. So overall, I think it's kind of really working out in terms of using the cooling system. The highest is only 33.4. The highest temperatures. That's pretty good to see this kind of low temperatures, and the overall score is about 7,19,000. That's also pretty good in terms of the score result. I'll try to take the screenshot as well for the safe side, but overall this kind of cooling system is definitely working 100% without any kind of problem, and the temperatures under this one is 26 and side is 33. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.